This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. You can as well sing the song this way. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Welcome back, friends. I'm sure you got to understand better what electricity is about in the last video. We'll be making amazing projects to help show us what we have learned so far in electricity. Now, we want to see how we can bring electricity out of an ordinary paper. The name of this project is Paper Circuit. Repeat after me. Paper circuit. In other words, you can call this project the circuit inside a paper. Can you see the light coming up? That is the paper circuit. Now, before we proceed, there are some words you need to learn before we make this amazing project. What are these words? They are electricity. Repeat them after me. Say electricity. LED. Say it again. LED, which is an acronym for light emitting diode. LED. Say foil. Foil. Circuit. Say circuit. Now say current. 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 Do you know what a circuit is? Do you have any idea? All right, I'll tell you. A circuit is a pathway in which electrical current flows. And to that effect, I have a song to help you remember what a circuit is. A circuit is a pathway. A circuit is a pathway by which electrical current flows. By which electrical current flows. I'll repeat that again. A circuit is a pathway. A circuit is a path. A circuit is a pathway. A circuit is a pathway by which electrical current flows. By which electrical current flows. It is as easy as A, B, C. Okay, now let's start making this amazing project. Can you see the project? Can you see my paper circuit? All right, before we start making this amazing project, what are the materials we'll be needing for this? All right? You need a cardboard paper. You can use any color, but actually pick this color because I like this color. You also need this, which is the conductive tape. This is called the conductive tape. This is the coin battery. It is called the coin battery because it has a shape of a coin. This material is the LED. The LED. you need a water glue, you need the scissors to cut. This is optional, okay? I use this to design mine like this. You may choose not to use it, okay? This is the small paper, just as I have it here. It is optional. Also this, you may choose not to put these colors and designs in your paper circuit, but I chose to do this, just as I have them here. Alright, so now let's begin to make our paper circuit. Are you ready? Alright, let's go. The first thing to do is to pick the cardboard paper. And this is the design I told you I chose, alright? So I put this directly on the cardboard paper, this way. You can place yours anywhere, but I choose to place mine here. I have my LED, which has two poles, two terminals. One is longer than the other. The longer one is the positive terminal, while the shorter one is the negative terminal. Alright, remember that when you're making this project on your own, make sure you get an adult to help you out with this procedure. Alright, this is my LED. I'm going to poke the LED into this paper this way. Remember that I said the long terminal or the longer pole is the positive one. Okay, so I'll do this. Gently poke. Okay. Okay. So you pass this through the cardboard paper like this. Let an adult help you out. So now that the LED is inside the paper, turn the paper to the other side like this. Okay, the LED terminals are bendable. So bend the positive to this side, to the right side, and bend the negative to the left side. You can actually do this the either way. The negative can be on this side while the positive is here, or the positive can be here while the negative is there, all right? So now that I've done this, I'll be taking my conductive tape. Peel the conductive tape like this. Pass the positive pole of the LED through the conductive tape like this. I hope you're finding this interesting over there, because trust me, I am finding it interesting here. Okay, make it straight till you get to the end. Okay, I'll be stopping here. So cut this out. All right, now on the other side, which is the negative side of the LED, pass the conductive tape through it like this. Remember that this conductive tape must not touch this other conductive tape from the positive terminal. Can stop this here and cut it off. Now we get our coin battery. Remember that this is the positive terminal of the LED, and also our battery has both positive and the negative sides. This is the positive, and when you are attaching the battery on the paper circuit, the positive must go to the positive while the negative must go to the negative. Remember that. Please take note of that. This is the positive, right? So here the positive will be on this. You stick the positive side to the conductive tape this way. You can use your conductive tape to hold it down from falling off. And in order not to let the terminals get out of the conductive tape, you can use this to hold down the terminals like this. Do same for the negative terminal of the LED. Like this. Okay, now let's check if what we have done is right. So now that I've fixed the battery, let's see what happens. Wow, that's light coming up. The light is coming up. Do you have yours doing this too? You have to get your connections right, okay? So now it's time to attach our paper at the middle of the paper circuit, like this. Do you know why we are using the paper? So that you can write something to your mommy or your daddy or your friends or anybody you wish to gift this item to. Okay, so I'll get my water glue and attach the paper. Okay, I'll do it like this. Don't let the glue touch the conductive part of the conductive tape. So I'll do it like this. And can you see? The light is still coming up. And this is my paper circuit. Now, on your own, you can go further to design this, your paper circuit that you have made. Okay, I'll design mine by using this. Okay, I can put it this way, this way, this way, or any other way of your choice. Okay, I've chosen this way now. Continue by placing this. Then I have something to write on the paper. Oh, what do I write? Okay, I know what to write. And now I have written something, which is I love you, friends. Now that we have made this project, the paper circuit, how is yours over there? I am loving mine here, okay? Make yours, and on your own, you can design it in any form you like. Do you like art and craft project like drawing, painting, cutting shapes out of construction paper? Instead of drawing that bright sun or light in a house, imagine adding real light like this to your artwork. This project just showed you how by introducing you to the world of electronics with paper circuits. As we go on in the learning of this concept, we will make more projects on electricity. Enjoy!